In this short guide, how to create your first organization in PrepareBuddy, the container your students, courses and billing all live inside.
Everything starts with an organization. Think of it as a class, a batch, or a section, IELTS Quarter One, IELTS Quarter Two, whichever way you group your learners. Open Student and Course Management, or use the quick access tiles on your dashboard, and choose Create Organization. First you pick a structure. A single organization stands on its own. A parent organization has branches underneath it. Or you can create a branch that attaches to an existing parent. We will keep this simple and use a single organization.
Now tell PrepareBuddy what this organization is for. Ours is language test preparation. Give it a name and a short description, and add your website and logo if you want your own branding on it. Language test features are already switched on, and that is what unlocks the Institute dashboard, student lifecycle automation, invoicing and billing, and test assignment. Create it, and the organization is done. The organization is live, owned by the admin who created it. From here you manage your members, create groups to subdivide students further, keep an eye on pending invitations, and build exam templates you can reuse. And that is creating an organization in PrepareBuddy. Get a demo at PrepareBuddy.com.